Look what I just got, the popcorn color markers. I can't wait to try them, see what we could do with them. When you open the package, first you're gonna take off this little plastic nib, and then you'll squeeze the paint to come out. Do it on a practice sheet because it may squirt out in places you don't want it to. At first I wasn't sure about these because the reviews are horrible on Amazon. However, it's because people aren't using the right thing to heat up the ink. You need to use a heat gun as a hairdryer doesn't get hot enough. Writing letters with these is a little bit difficult, but you just want to take your time and you just have to practice squeezing because too much will come out at one time if you're not careful. And you want to leave space in between each stroke so the letters don't run together. But it's really fun. You definitely should give it a try. Okay, this was so much fun. The dimension on these letters, I have some feedback for you. It isn't meant to be like a perfect lettering project. I teach hand lettering. And so the first thing that happened is when I wrote my letter S and I was like, oh, it looks terrible. Like some of the paint kind of blew out in parts and places. But guess what? Now they're actually my favorite parts. They have the most character. Isn't it so fun? And the dimension is crazy. I mean, in person, you will love it so much. And so will your dad. You can find these items in my Amazon shop. Click the link in my profile.